Hello everyone, Vaughn Marie here and welcome back to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So we are going to make a card using these super cute cows from the Cow Crazy stamp and outline dies. I'm going to use tea dye distress ink with the cow print background stamp. I love this rubber background stamp. It's my first time using it. And this is just a scrap of white cardstock. It was like a perfect panel size. So I am using that, and it's 110 pounds, and I think it's matte photo cardstock actually, but you can use any white cardstock. And I'm going to stamp a couple of these cows, although I'm only going to use one for this card. I'm also stamping two sunflowers, or they look like sunflowers. I'm going to color them a little differently, and I am stamping with Memento Tuxedo Black ink on Nina 110 pounds. I'm using my Copic markers today, and I will list them in the description if you are interested. I kind of wanted this cow to be like a reddish brown, so I am using some E markers, and I'll bring in some YR markers, and it's just really cute. I love this guy. They all are cute. It's just a cute stamp set, and it's sure to make anybody smile. It makes me smile just looking at them. So I love the sentiments too. You get hey, and you heard it here, and sorry I was moody, and there's like 3 different O's in there. Font size. And then this grass die is so cool. It's from the Field of Butterflies die set, and I'm just running it through with some cream cardstock, and I did use some pattern paper, and I fussy cut these flowers, and then I used a pattern paper, what was I saying, from Pink Autumn. I stamped my sentiment on that grass die, and then I did use some distress ink to, I believe it's Vintage Photo, just to ink it up a little bit. So this die set here with the pattern paper is the Chunky Checkers die set, and I'm trying to figure out how to put my cow in this pattern paper. My cow background my cow print background was cut with the Sprinkles Scallops rectangle dies, and look how cute that is if I add those flowers there. So fun and easy, and this card is done. I added it to a brown A2 top folding card base at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and look how cute that is. And I am just going to add some white gel pen accents, and that is it for this card. So fast, and I love it. And I'm also using a black pen because I wanted to make the cow's eyes a little darker. You can use a gel pen for that, and then my white pen, and that is it. My white pen is drying out. I did buy some new ones, and I don't know why I didn't grab them, but next time. And then I will share a close-up. And so thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have a lovely day, and I will be back soon with a new video. I got some new Whimsy stamps and dies, and I'm super excited to play with those. So the next video, I'm not sure what what I will use as they are on my desk. I am still wondering, but here it is. So thank you, and have a wonderful day.